We make toffee bark every single Christmas. This toffee bark is graham cracker toffee bark, and I'm going to show you how to make it in a bunch of different ways. It's such an easy, simple recipe that everyone loves. And you can make it with any kind of topping. You can find the entire recipe for this graham cracker toffee bark on my website, crazyforcrust.com. You start with graham crackers. Layer them on your baking sheet and then set it aside. Then put a pot over medium heat and add 1 cup of butter. I like to use unsalted. Let it melt completely. Then add brown sugar and some water. Stir until it's combined, and then butter is completely melted. Then you're going to add a candy thermometer. It's really important to use a candy thermometer so you know exactly what temperature that you want this toffee to get up to. Once you add the candy thermometer, don't stir it. Just let it sit in the pan while the mixture boils and bubbles until it reaches 255 degrees Fahrenheit. That's when it's finished cooking. Once it reaches 255 degrees, remove the candy thermometer and add vanilla. Be careful, it'll bubble up once you've added the vanilla. Stir it together and then pour it over the graham crackers. Spread it evenly, and then you're going to bake it for about 5 minutes in a 350 degree oven. Once it's baked for 5 minutes, you're going to add chocolate chips. You can use any kind of chocolate chips that you like. Dark, milk, just don't use white chocolate. Then return it to the oven for 2 minutes until the chocolate chips are melty. They'll still hold their shape, but they'll be melted and easy to spread. Spread the chocolate evenly over the toffee. And this is when the fun happens. You can add any sort of toppings you want, like toffee bits, or sliced almonds or other nuts, or even candy like M&Ms or peanut butter cups. Let it sit until it's hardened. I like to chill it for about an hour and then break it apart and serve. Store this in an airtight container in the refrigerator and it'll last at least 2 weeks. So it's great for shipping. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and eat something sweet.